Okay, we are in New York City. It has been raining, and I just want to uh, record a review of the last coat. I'll show you in a minute. Here's my car right here. I'm talking about this bad boy, the last coat, and it does wonders. I'll show you. See, all of these cars have been here, and I'll just show you this car right next to my car. You see how the rain um, leaves water on your car, and when it dries you'll get like water spots on your car, but not on my car. You see how this is beading? It's because I sprayed that, and I sprayed that about 4 weeks ago, so almost a month now. And up to now, it's still working. See how it is, how the water is beading. You swipe your hand, it's wonderful, you know. It's like an extra coat. Oh, that's the last coat, the last coat you will need for your car. Check it out. If you don't believe me, try it yourself. They have believe they have a money back guarantee. But yeah, shit is good.